Mm. The vegetable balls are really melting in your mouth. So good. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back. Today I'm again here with easy and simple recipe. Today I'm gonna show you guys Manchurian. This one is not authentic Chinese Manchurian. I'm gonna show you Indo-Chinese Manchurian. That's like a fusion, you know. I've got beans and bell peppers, mixed bell peppers, 1 onion, 1 carrot, cabbage, celery, 1 stick of celery, and around 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 chilies and ginger. That's all gonna go in there, and I'm gonna put it all vegetables into the food processor and just mix it all together, break it all together, and gonna keep some for sauce, and we're gonna make it some what you call fritters out of it. And here I've got some sauces gonna use for the gravy. So let's start. First of all, you have a look down there what I've got here, and then we can start making our Manchurians. I've got here dark soy, light soy, give another mix in there. Some of the vegetables here for the sauce. About a cup. So this we're gonna add into the sauce to get all the flavor into the sauce also. And this one, I'm gonna add some corn flour in there. All-purpose flour, we're gonna crack 1 egg in there to just get the binding in there. that's how it looks like. Perfect, not too chunky and not too like mincy also. You can still see the vegetables in there. And that's all. We're just gonna make balls and deep fry them. You guys can do air fry also if you got air fry. If you got too many balls, you can save them and freeze them and use them for the next meal. So yeah, let's deep fry them. We don't want our oil to be super hot. We're gonna turn down the heat over there, just to medium high heat, and we're gonna use our 2 tablespoons to just make balls in there. See, and slightly pop it down. As you guys can see, some of them they are ready, so we can keep them on the side. As you can see, that looks really beautiful, nice and golden brown. Alright, now it's time to make sauce. Just turn off the stove like again. You guys can use Chinese wok if you got Chinese wok, or pan works fine also. Alright, make sure your pan is nice and hot. Just put some cooking oil. You guys can use sesame seed oil also, and add your veggies. White wine vinegar, some dark soya sauce, some light soya, tomato ketchup, some tomato paste, and a teaspoon of brown sugar. There's nice sweetness and sourness in there, and about a pinch of MSG. You can avoid if you're allergic to it. A little bit salt. We don't want to add too much salt in there because soya got salt and your Manchurian got salt also. Just saute all the vegetables. And some black pepper in there. Then add your chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock if you doesn't want a chicken stock in there. I'm gonna make it semi sauce and there add a little bit water. Just wait for a boil and then you can add your corn flour mix, celery, that's a tablespoon of corn flour and about 2 tablespoons of water in there. You guys can see it's started to boil now. It's time to add our celery in there. When you add celery, just keep mixing it, otherwise it's just gonna get lumpy. And after, just add your Manchurians in there. Alright, it's time to taste now. This beautiful dish. Smells so amazing. The vegetables balls are really melting in your mouth. And they're really full of flavors, you know. You guys can avoid chilies if you doesn't like chili in your food. So good. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and I will see you again with another exciting, easy and quick recipe. Till then, take care, bye, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Recipe. Cheers, peace.